Chapter 3, Exploring Tux Paint. In this chapter, we'll learn about two tools present in the toolbar. First is Magic Tool and Stamp Tool. These are the two most interesting tools of the toolbar. The Magic Tool is actually a set of special tools. The selector bar has several magical effects. We can either click on that effect or drag that effect around the picture to apply the effect. So let's see the first magic effect, that is blind magic effect. So this effect when selected creates a blind in the desired area. The blind can pull down or across on the picture or desired area. So blind tool basically gives the effect of curtain or blind. So for use this effect, we have some steps given here. First, click on the Magic Tool from the toolbar and then select the blind tool option. After that, put the cursor on the drawing canvas and we can give the effect of blind effect in our picture. The next one we have is blur effect. Below blind you will find blur tab, and this effect is used to make the picture or part of a picture blur. So basically it helps us to give blur effect to our picture. This tool blurs the area of the picture on which this effect is applied, and every time we use this tool the image will fade a little more than original one. And to use this effect on our picture, there are some steps. First, we need to click on the Magic Tool from the toolbar and then choose the Blur tool option and put and drag the cursor on the picture which you want to blur. The third effect is Brick effect. This effect is used to draw or create brick pattern. The brick walls can be designed using this option. Brick magic effect fill the bricks effect into the picture, the brick pattern into the picture, and we can use this effect to make a wall in our picture. There are two shapes available in brick tool. The one is small size brick and the other is large size brick. To use this effect in our picture, we need to follow some steps. Steps to use brick effect are: first, we need to click the Magic Tool from the toolbar and then go to the selector bar, choose bricks option. We'll find there two shapes, small or large. We need to choose one and then put the cursor on the canvas and draw the desired pattern.